Okay, viewers, as you already know, if you want to create any successful ad, the first 3 to 4 seconds are extremely important because that's the moment that keeps the audience hooked and stops them from skipping your ad. So today, I'm back with another amazing tool for you called Higgsfield AI. So viewers, without wasting any time, first head over to YouTube because I want to show you some examples of trending marketing ads. If you notice carefully, almost every successful marketing ad has a very unique opening, especially within the first 3 to 4 seconds. That hook is what keeps the audience engaged and interested. The same thing applies to platforms like TikTok as well. If you're planning to start dropshipping, then marketing ads are absolutely essential because without powerful ads, it becomes very difficult to sell your product successfully. And if you're a freelancer, this opportunity becomes even bigger. On platforms like Fiverr, people are charging huge amounts just for creating short marketing ads for brands and businesses. There's already massive demand for these types of ad videos, and clients are constantly searching for creators who can make engaging ads quickly and professionally. Alright viewers, without wasting any more time, simply open the website Higgsfield AI and let's get started. This platform constantly launches brand new AI tools almost every single week, whether it's related to marketing, image generation, or video generation. You'll find a huge collection of unlimited creative tools here, and honestly, for me, this is the #1 AI website right now because of how powerful and innovative it is. You can even access incredible models like Seedance 2.0 and many other advanced AI tools that Higgsfield keeps adding regularly. Now let me quickly show you the image section because there are so many newly launched tools available there as well. And if we move over to the video section, you'll also discover a wide variety of advanced video tools and models, including Kling 3.0 and several other high-quality AI video generators. So overall, this platform gives you almost everything you need for AI content creation in one place. Alright viewers, without wasting any time, today, I specifically want to show you their newly launched feature called Marketing Studio Hooks. So I'll simply click on Marketing Studio, and once you open it, you can see there are multiple categories available like product ads, avatars, and many more. If I click on the UGC section, you'll notice a huge collection of ready-made marketing ad styles and tutorials. You'll find UGC ads, tutorial-style ads, product reviews, hypermotion, unboxing videos, and many other creative ad formats. No matter what type of marketing ad you want to create, you can generate it directly from here. Honestly, I personally don't think there's a better AI ad generator website available right now. And as I mentioned earlier, they've now added a completely new hook section focused on creating highly engaging openings for your ads. Inside the hooks category, you can see styles like Product Hunt Spicy, Interview Style, Random Object Mic, and many more creative options. Basically, whichever hook you choose, your ad's starting sequence will automatically be designed in that same viral and attention-grabbing style. On top of that, if I click into the settings section, they've added even more customization features. So, viewers, with all of that said, let's officially begin today's video and start creating some amazing, high-converting marketing ads together. Okay, viewers, first of all, I'm going to upload my product here. I already generated a product image earlier, and for this example, I'll be using a serum product image. So the very first step is simply uploading your product. After uploading the product, you need to select an avatar. In my case, I'm going to upload my own avatar image. I already have an image of a female avatar, so I'll use that here. Alright, now both the product and avatar have been added successfully. After adding both of them, I'll simply select the UGC category. Once the UGC section is selected, I'll move to the hook section, and from there, I can choose any hook style I want. For this example, I'm selecting the Epic Fail hook style. Now after selecting the hook, let's move into the settings section where we decide the scene and environment for the avatar. Since my product is a serum, I want the scene to feel more natural and relevant, so I'm selecting the bathroom setup because skincare products usually fit perfectly in that environment. Now everything is ready, so I'll simply click on the Generate button. After that, you just need to wait a little while and be patient. Boom! You can see that my very first UGC video with a highly trending hook is now fully ready. Oh my God, viewers, this is absolutely amazing. I selected a bathroom scene earlier, and as I mentioned before, I also selected the epic fail hook style. Now, before moving to the next product, let's try another style. This time, I'll select the tutorial category. After selecting tutorial, I'll upload another product image related to that niche. Once the image is uploaded, I'll click on Create Product, and after that, I'll select an avatar again. This time, I'll upload a male avatar image that I already have. Once the male avatar is uploaded, I'll add everything together. After that, I'll move into the hook section again, and this time, I'm selecting the spicy hook style. Once the hook is selected, I'll go into the settings because I want my scene to look like an office environment. So I'll simply choose the office setup. Basically, I want the avatar to appear inside an office while presenting the product. Now, after finalizing all the settings, I'll click on the Generate button again. As you can see, my second marketing ad has now started generating. And after waiting a few moments, boom, you can see the final result. My avatar is now wearing the watch product with a professional office background behind him, exactly the way I described earlier. Now let's move on to another example. Again, I'll add a new product, and this time I'm selecting the unboxing category. After selecting unboxing, I'll upload the product image and then add an avatar. Inside the hook section, I'll choose the product hit hook style. After selecting that, I'll move into the settings section and choose the bedroom setup because I want my avatar to sit inside a bedroom environment while introducing the product. Once again, after everything is finalized, I'll click on Generate. And as you can see, my third video has already started generating. After waiting for a short time, oh my God, viewers, just look at this result. This ad looks absolutely incredible, and the engagement level feels extremely professional and cinematic. If you create ads like this for your brand presence can grow massively because these types of highly engaging ads grab attention instantly. Alright viewers, for the last example, I'll again select another tutorial style and this time click on Product Review. After that, I'll select a hook style and choose any scene setting that looks good to me. Once everything is selected, I'll again click on Generate. Now, as you can see, the final ad has started generating. And after a short wait, boom, you can see that my avatar is sitting inside an airplane. Exactly the scene I selected earlier. I also customized the camera movement according to the hook style. For this example, I used the camera bump effect together with the airplane scene, and the final result looks absolutely fantastic. So now all 4 of my ads are fully ready with completely different hooks and different styles. And honestly, the hook system inside Marketing Studio is performing amazingly well. You can generate unlimited marketing videos from here and take your brand promotions to the next level because if you truly want to market any brand successfully, ads are one of the most important factors behind growth. Now, if we talk about pricing and upgrades, you can choose between the Plus, Ultra, and Business plans. So if you're serious about creating professional marketing ads consistently, you should definitely consider upgrading because it can solve many of your content creation problems. Alright viewers, I hope you really enjoyed today's video and found this new Marketing Studio Hooks tool extremely useful and exciting. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.